Hey, all the hackers from Ethereum Singapore hackathon. So this is Luca from Morph. Uh, in this quick video, we're going to show you how to utilize Morph's starter kit to quickly provide all you need in this hackathon if you're trying to deploy a Morph and claim bounty prices. And besides the Morph bounties, and we have also integrated Wallet Connect and Pice as part of the Morph starter kit. So without further ado, let's go straight to the starter kit. So if you're trying to use this Morph starter kit, it's super easy. We have already integrated with npm packages, so you can just simply type the command and you can download all of the files you need. Let's do it right now. So let's simply use this command. And now you can choose to name your project. Let's see, my ETHG app. And we're creating all the files for you. Now the whole Morph starter kit is down. Let's check all those necessary steps. So first of all, you can see this is my ETHG app folder, which have two major parts. One is for contracts and one is for front end. And for contract folder, you have Foundry and Hard Hat both integrated. You can choose whichever framework you like to use in your apps. And for front end, it's basically a Next.js template, which you can start working on your JavaScript front end projects. And to get started, let's follow these steps. First, let's go to the folder, my SG app. And let's go to the front end folder and create EMA files. And install dependencies. And now the front end folder is get ready. Let's go to the contracts folder. Depends on you're using Hard Hat or Foundry, you should install different dependencies. Let's go to contracts folder. And let's try Hard Hat first. And again, install dependencies. And let's use Foundry. And remember, you need to install Foundry first. And after that, let's run forge install. After that, let's create an EMA file. Now with all the dependency installed, let's go check out what we have made. And for example, for the Foundry folder, we got the EMA example files, which you should input your product key here, and also the RPC URL, which should target to the Morph testnet. And the same thing is happening for Hard Hat folders. And for the front end folder, and what you should input here is your Wallet Connect project ID, which basically represent your Wallet Connect applications. So you need to apply for a project keys here, and the input here is so your project will naturally integrate with the Wallet Connect app set. And besides Wallet Connect, we have also integrate with Pice applications. So we have import the Pice SDK solidity files for you. And you can see here we have a simple example of calling the Pice Oracle's Pi feed. So you can use this contract as an example of how you're gonna interact with the Pice oracles. We have also filled the Morph Pice Oracle contract addresses for you, so you don't have to do that. And with all those starter kit stuff, you can build any application on top of these folders, whatever you like. and you can actually start with the application with Morph deployment setup and Order Connect and price feed oracles integrated. So you can target to 3 bounty prizes for 3 different projects. And for more bounties, we are looking for the best consumer applications for 3 projects, and we're gonna reward $5,000 in total. So we're looking forward to see your submissions and hope the starter kit that we provide for you is helpful, and looking forward to your exciting projects.